I am loving this new look. I got my little bebe over there. Yes, good boy.
Well, we're going today to our holiday.
Cairns, we've never been to Cairns before. Guys,
welcome to Kenya.
We're not in Kenya. So this is like the front area. The reception. Gotta get that A2, baby. Just about to leave Tropicana Banana.
You better like this video. You better like this video.
Morning, guys. What the heck? It's been so long since I've picked up the camera. I look a hot mess right now, but that's because I just woke up like an hour ago. I've been playing Go Fetch with Bear. I also wasn't well the last 2 weeks. I don't know, I just got this cough that just won't go away. I am filming because I just bought a new dining table. Let me get rid of this old bulky thing. It's been good to us though, because we've had this since we moved, like we first moved out of our house in 2018. This table has moved around with us since we've been out of home. And we actually picked it up on the side of the road. When we first got it, it was free. It was on the side of the road, about to go to the bin. So we picked it up, cleaned it up, and yeah, it's been our table ever since. We don't usually sit at the table because we usually sit there, but that's starting to change because we got this little bugger and he just wants to eat all the food, don't you, Bebe? Speak. Good boy. Speak. Just teaching him how to ring the bell when he wants to go outside. Here, Bebe. Bell. He just can't stop looking at the camera and trying to sniff it. Bebe, here. Bell. Yes, good boy, good boy. And then I just open the door for him so he knows that action. He's still making the connection between ringing the bell and the door opening. He's still set up on getting a treat for ringing the bell because I'm doing it in 2 parts. But anyways, back to the dining table. I'm about to go pick it up. I didn't order any chairs. Good boy, he's waiting for his treat. No. No treats today. The door's open. Bear, what? Yeah, so Aussie's still sleeping. I'm going to go wake him up. We're going to get this table, take this one out, maybe take that other table out to the tip. You can't see it, sorry. It's been there for a long time. And take Bear's bed that he's used to. Bear! Good boy. Open door. Guys, I am not doing a very good job at this, but I totally forgot to vlog yesterday. I want to show you the new look. I got a new rug, another new rug, new dining table, 2 new chairs, that little vasey thingy. I am loving this new look. I got my little bebe over there. Hi, my little bear. And yeah, this is it. The other rug is out here. Made like a little outdoor area here. Yesterday was a massive day. Actually, I would not have had any time to vlog. We went to the tip. It was 22 degrees in winter. And that was pretty hot. And I was so tired. Walking around everywhere. Bebe's just ignoring me here. Hi, my little baby. Hi, my little wee boy. Hi, my little wee boy. Belly rubs. Belly rubs, my baby boy. He's gone so big, guys. He used to be so tiny. And even when he was tiny, I thought he was still pretty big. But now when I look at photos, I'm like, no, you were tiny. You were tiny, my little whiny woo-woo. Morning, guys. Almost forgot to start vlogging. Like, oh my gosh, we don't even know how to vlog it. But welcome, SV Squad. It's been so long. We're up bright and early this morning. I woke up at like 5:30. Because today is the day of our holiday, and today's the day we part ways.
The Lord has made. Today is the day that the Lord has made.
We part ways with our baby boy. So yeah, I was packing last night. His crate used to be here. It's all packed in the car. I got his food, his raw meals. He has no idea. I just wanted to take a few treats for him, but he's so soft. Everyone who pats him always says he's so soft. Guys, a raw food diet for him with hemp seed oil, and like honestly.
What's up everybody? It's your boy Chochi over here. We're back with another video, guys. Sorry for long waiting. So yeah, we'll just pack up our stuff. Today is we're going today to our holiday. So yeah, we'll see you guys very soon from your boy Chochi over here. We're gonna miss him so much, my baby boy.
We're almost to my brother's house now. Bear's been quiet at the back over there. Got a lot of his stuff here, his bed and all of that. And his crate. And then a little pen we can connect to the crate. Okay guys, so we're about to head off now. Cairns, we've never been to Cairns before. Got our boarding passes, although I pre-booked my seats. I don't know why. I hate the aisle seat. I always love the window seat. Big girl things, if you know, you know.
What's up, boy?
And Dad's gone now. The weather is crazy, like rainy here.
So yeah, we're gonna go inside and look for something to eat, and then wait for our flight. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Comment down below and say, let's go. It feels so good now to go for a holiday now, guys. It's been a long time not going for a holiday. Now it feels good now. And the boy Chochi is happy. Alright, see you guys. Peace. Let's go. We're going on plane now, guys.
Come, it's Dora. And you live marshmallow.
No, why you need marshmallow? We're not masking getting a cafe suma. Get it is pay la lupa. Ukoy mga umiyangan ng marshmallow. We arrive here in Brisbane, guys. Brisbane. Let's go. Here in Cairns, guys. Finally here in Cairns. It's nice weather here. Nice and hot. Can't wait to go inside and take off my jumper. Welcome to Kenya.
We're not in Kenya. We're finally in Cairns. So we're just going to stop off at Cove's to get a few things for our hotel. And then we'll be heading off to Palm Cove. So it's about 30 minutes away from Cairns. And then we'll be coming back to Cairns to stay at Royale or something. Palm Royale.
Chicken Royale.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Welcome to Samoa.
Yeah, we had a little bit of a mix-up with our car. I paid for an SUV and I booked it, paid it before we came, and then when he gave me the keys, it was like a 2018 looking Serato, and I'm like, is that an SUV? Because that's what I paid for. And he was like, oh, sorry, no, and then was going to give me this ASX, but he was like, the only problem with the ASX is that because of the heat, like, technology fries easy here, and so the ASX didn't have but essentially it didn't have Bluetooth, couldn't listen to music. The only thing you can listen to was a radio, and I'm like, that's pretty crap. Like, no, what the heck, no.
Now
so
we have a brand new Camry 2022.
Yeah, he gave us a brand new Camry, but still the price difference, because I mean it is a sedan. But then he gave us the option of having a $50 refund, or if we wanted to return it half tank. And because, like, what's $50? Like, it's probably going to be more to fill it up. So I chose the half tank on return. Holiday mode activated. Morning guys, welcome back. It is day one, but like day 2 in Cairns. So I don't think I mentioned, yesterday when we checked in, this was our little studio room. It's on the ground floor. And I don't know why I did that, because you know, when I go on holiday, I like to really go on a holiday. And so I wasn't really happy with the room. And that's completely my fault because this is what I booked. So I went to the front desk to see if I could upgrade. And I was willing to pay a lot more for an ocean view apartment, except they just didn't have any available. They're fully booked out, and I was really annoyed at myself. And it doesn't matter. Like waking up in the morning, like this is actually okay. Except we're just facing a bunch of bush. And I'm just going to take you guys around and show you guys the front foyer. So this is like the front area. The reception's over there. Wow, this is so nice. Uelese gone to the gym, and I don't know where the gym is. This is the life, guys. This is the esplanade. Oh, the sprinklers are on. And the beach already starting to warm up. My alarm's just going on.
It's 7:30 a.m.
Oh, it's really beautiful. We went to Coles yesterday to buy a few groceries. I mean, we want to spend as much money as we can on experiences, not just food. My feet are all sandy. Gotta get that A2, baby. Yeah, I don't know if they even wash these spoons. Like, this hotel is really nice, but it just seems, everything seems half-assed. If you're gonna have, you know, a dodgy hotel, let it be dodgy. It's just like, it looks really nice and you can see the potential in it, but the upkeep of it is just not consistent. Like that spoon that I just washed, gross. Bathroom, the glass could be better. And you actually don't realize how much those things make a difference until you don't get them in a hotel that you pay price to get that, if you know what I mean, if that makes sense. I'm gonna go sit outside. I mean, that's enough complaining from me. I'm gonna come out here and sit outside and have some breakfast. I actually asked Aussie to get me yogurt because I wanted to eat this cluster cereal with yogurt, but he's not about that idea and he didn't want yogurt. So guys, let's have a chat. How's everyone been? I actually gotta be a little bit more quiet because I just realized there's people right there. Guys, we are off now. Our first official day again. Like I said, today we're going to be going somewhere. You guys are just gonna see actually the Coranda cable cars and also the crocodile tour. I think I really want to go for a swim. I brought so many pairs of swimmers and we have not gone for a swim. So I just did it again. I'm getting better and better at it. It's like a skill, guys. You can't just, like, not anyone can just do it. Like, star. Oh my god, you're so funny.
So that's how you talk.
What? How do I talk?
So we are going to do some stuff today. Oh.
Cairns is so beautiful. Just their plants, whole set of different plants than we do back in Canberra. Obviously, the humidity allows them these beautiful tropical plants, and us, we just, you know, don't. Oh my gosh, Aussie. We ended up paying the insurance, like, just for peace of mind. And I never usually pay insurance. And you know what? That's why we're just like, we don't give a damn. We're just like, not matter if you just, you know, go over this gutter.
So yeah, guys, we enjoy our time here in Cairns. We get the Skyrail. We're gonna go all the way up on the top, and then I don't know what's up there. So yeah, so we enjoy our holiday. Yeah, let's go.
Oh my gosh, babe. Look, there's no one in that one. Why did she say that it's gonna...
No, that one's coming back.
Yeah, but...
No one's coming back at the right time. They're still up there.
Yeah, but she said that we're not gonna get our own when we come back.
Yeah, because you're like a rush. Yeah, guys, as you see, we're on the halfway now. Still going up. Still going up. It looks so high now. Look at that road. There's a truck up there. What? It's on top of the mountain. So we up on the mountain, all the way up on the, we're gonna go all the way up on the mountain, but it's too scary, eh? You see it? It's too high, man. And you can see all the views and stuff up here, from up here. Oh wow, there's a white cafe there. What?
Oh my gosh, my camera's so good, it's empty. Oh my god!
To the crocodile, snakes and everything must go is everywhere here. So we're going to show you guys where the snake and how the snake and how do you eat the snake and the snake eat you, is it right?
Mm-hmm.
So where?
Somewhere here. How about we look at our map? There's cockatoo. Luki oya oios. Oi shuruwaka. God. Don't let him poo on you, what the heck? Hello? Hello? Oh my gosh, it's right back to me.
Yeah, this water is bone water, fresh water. Then salt water crocodiles live.
What could go wrong? Lead him out. Bring that hand down a bit. Lead him, lead him, lead him. Yeah, off the cage. Watch out, he's the real deal. Yeah, nicely done, Willie.
Oh my gosh, I am so annoyed. I was literally talking for like 10 minutes and I don't even know if it was filming. Basically, we're at Portofino, which is an Italian restaurant. And last night we were at, apparently there was a gas leak here in Palm Cove, so all the restaurants had to close. So we drove all the way out to Cairns, and Aussie was a little intoxicated, so I had to do the driving, which was annoying. But we met this lovely lady, shout out to the MMT. She was Tongan, her name was Sella, and her sister's apparently massive supporters of ours, so thank you so much to your sisters as well, and all the best for your wedding plans. But yeah, she was awesome. And, so yeah, we're gonna go to the banana farms. Look, it's nice. Maybe go to the strawberry farm if we have enough time. Also, we need to order our food. Oh my gosh, I want to show you this view. Like, how pretty is that?
Yeah, it's so pretty over here, you know. Look.
Except the only thing is that like maybe we're too spoiled for choice and view in New South Wales, because like New South Wales beaches to me are so much more prettier. So my juice came. I got a It's called a detox juice. It's live over there. Oh my gosh, guys, I honestly don't know how to work this GoPro. So we're here at Palm Cove's jetty, and we're about to leave. The water looks much nicer in camera than it does real life. Looks really dirty. Guys, we're really tired, so we left Port Douglas. We didn't film anything, but we had lunch there, and we've made our way down to the farmways. What you're looking at is a farm of mangoes, or a mango farm. We passed a lot of these. We're heading to the banana farm, but this is the mango farm.
You see how big the farm is?
I see it. Obviously I was sleeping and I can see it in my dreams, and you woke me up. And thus we have arrived at the banana farm, and also thus the Uelese. Oh my gosh, there's so many cars here.
They're picking fun.
Oh, look at that. Every single bunch is like covered.
Yeah, Tropicana farm.
Yeah. So we're just about to leave Tropicana Banana. Unfortunately, they don't really have like a setup where you can come and look, or if they do, the people who just walked out don't know about it because they told us they didn't. But that's okay. I mean, also you saw a few bananas, didn't ya?
Yeah, big bananas, small bananas.
We're so excited. Aussie's going snorkeling. I'm going to the glass bottom. It's the both worlds.
Guys, we're here. Come for a snorkel and super dive, whatever. We have a restaurant in there as well. Beautiful.
Guys, hold on. Guys, we're about to go under. Got Aussie over there. I got my flippers on. Okay. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. Can't really see my hair. So today's our last day. My mouth is red because of the powdery. But today is our last day and it's raining, terrible weather. We already knew that it was going to be like this, but what can you do? Not all of us can control the weather. So we're going jet boating. We were going to go jet skiing, but I felt like the jet boat was better. And especially in this weather, like, who really wants to be riding around in an hour in this weather? 30 minutes jet boating, you know. We're going to splurge a little on our last day. So we got dinner tonight at the waterfront at Dundee's. And breakfast today, we haven't really been having breakfast this whole holiday, like maybe once or twice out, just because we've been like saving for dinner and like other experiences. But today, seeing as it's our last day, it's an exception. So
and today we feel like relaxing and driving around in Cairns before we're heading back to our homeland.
we were going to go to Shaylee's strawberry farm, except it's like an hour away and we really didn't feel like driving an hour. I don't know why, but like anytime I am sleeping somewhere other than my own house and my own bed, I always wake up early. Every single day I've been here in Cairns, I've woken up at 4 o'clock. And I just feel like time goes so slow here.
Guys, we're going to the market. We have to have a look over here. Didn't know we have another market here. They have another market this side, so we're going to check out this side. We go to the night market, but there's another market here.
For the soul. Okay. Oh my gosh, spare some more. Ooh, nice purple. Actually, I want a purple. Should have gotten this the first day so we could enjoy. Oh my gosh, this pineapple feels so sweet. Look, they got galore and it's only $5 a kilo. No, that's lime.
How much for that one?
Sorry?
How much?
$6.
$6. Yeah. Ito kilo may do pasit palay. Nila ay pala.
Có cái cà phê số và anh này đó đi
Hey.
nữa.
May ngay pisyo pa uy rungo pala. Eh, karang wala ke pom. Woy. Kipi malima. Pengar kenge mo ki oi. Ya, market kinga fruit market. Delen market. Mau wasus dengan mer kapisi. Mau kengi. Vodka. Mga rin mabaw kempo wa fresh kang kalu. Mga ngay ulay mo may iso. Mawal popo. Wow, mawal popo rin away ko kwa mappo rin ore. Mawal metau lima. Mawal fala sa moa ol mamanu rin ole. Sorry, ole I fala ni iri so. Mawal lay ngoy. Sorry. Ini mak iri ya me mau I me sa mo so. You see this? Ini dopo ay me. Mo pampa. Mau malau me pa yang are I. Male polo le kenkalu.
$10.
Mau ya kau lima. So shit tuai na me lava itu mena awai. Mo avela me rea I fanga ia kofi ma mo ile. Ko konga I me ile fanga pa ure. Fanga me fanga I kwa. Ya, tato o me tu pa niu. Pe tasine o I tu pa niu oro pe na ta tele tono sa mo. Ore niu lo ke vai ko I. Ole makua sa sami ar niura ke vai ko.
Hey, Peps.
What's up, Peps?
Hold on, guys. I've been eating a lot of fruit. So this is my coconut I'm going to have for later. I already had one dragon fruit and some pineapple and some blueberries. Aussie's never done this before. Jet boating and so it's gonna be exciting. I've done it once before in the Gold Coast and it's like honestly the most fun ever. I'm definitely ready to go, guys.